Hello, this is Anamika Jha, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Agriculture, Science and Technology, AKS University, Satna. The courses offered at AKS University in the field of agriculture are BSc Agriculture Honours, MSc Agriculture, MSc Horticulture, MSc in Agronomy, BTech in Agricultural Engineering, Integrated course BTech in Agricultural Engineering plus MBA. First, I'll discuss about BSc Agriculture Honours. This is a 4-year course, semester-wise course. If I define this course, I'll define it in 3 words: production, disease and treatment of crops. Generally, we hear about the degree BSc in Agriculture, but AKS University is providing the degree in BSc Agriculture Honours degree, in which students after second year decide their specialization in agronomy, horticulture, plant breeding or soil science or entomology. When we talk about the job scopes of BSc Agriculture Honours, there are a number of vacancies every year in public and private sector banks for the post of agriculture officer. Secondly, there are government agricultural departments in every state or the capitals. Like for example, we hear about National Seed Corporation. There are a number of vacancies in a year which comes in block level and district level. Then third, government schemes. Every 2 or 3 months we hear about government schemes. Like in Madhya Pradesh, 2 or 3 months back we heard about Atma. The vacancies for which the vacancies at block level and district level for the BSc Agriculture students. These jobs are only and only for agriculture students. If we talk about the private sector jobs in agricultural input manufacturing industries like seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, these companies require BSc Agriculture Honours students because these students are expert in their specialization. Whether it be manufacturing department or production department or marketing department of these manufacturing industries, BSc Agriculture students are required over there. Now we talk about BTech in Agricultural Engineering. This is a course of 4 years. This is a semester-wise system course. If I define it, it is a study of and for agricultural mechanization, agricultural industrialization and water resource management. The job scopes for an agricultural engineer are in various types of industries like agricultural machinery manufacturing industries, like the industries which are manufacturing farm implements and tractors. Secondly, the agricultural processing industries, like the industries which are providing packed foods or processed foods. Number 3, the irrigation machinery manufacturing industries, in which the sprinkler irrigation systems, drip irrigation systems, spray irrigation systems, the machinery is required for irrigation systems. In these industries, there are generally manufacturing department, the production department, the marketing department, the R&D department and agricultural engineers are required over. And now the most important course, the integrated course, BTech in Agricultural Engineering plus MBA. It is a 5-year course, semester-wise system, and the subjects taught in this course are from agricultural engineering and agribusiness management. Student after this 5 years course will be a technologically sound person with managerial skills, an engineer and a manager, the all-rounder student who are required for the industries in today's scenario. All these courses, the syllabus for all these courses has been designed on the basis of the guidelines provided by ICAR Delhi, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Secondly, all the new developments in technologies in agriculture, in the field of agriculture has been put into this syllabus. And third most important, what is the present scenario for the farmers, what are their requirements. Keeping all these things in mind, the syllabus has been designed for all these courses. We have well facilitated labs, we have farmlands where students themselves go for practicals, like from sowing to harvesting of crops. Students are doing it themselves. Now the most important, the professors, the faculties over here are from renowned industries like renowned institutes like IITs. from state agricultural universities. Students are also being given the online classes through this internet and all from various scientists. Seminars and guest lectures are being provided to students by the renowned and eminent scientists. In this whole process of giving practical overview to students, Agritech Madhya Pradesh 2014 was organized in the month of February, where the Agriculture Minister Shri Gauri Shankar Bisain was himself the chief guest over here. The dealers from all the agricultural industries, large farmers, marginal farmers, small farmers, all were present here, and students actually got the opportunity to directly interact with the industry people and the farm people, the farmers. So they actually got to understand the communication gap between the farmers and the industries and what they are studying. They got the practical overview, and this is what the AKS University is actually seeing or looking forward to, giving practical overview or scenario of agricultural field in our country and in our world. Students interested in all these courses, whether in BSc Agriculture Honours or MSc Horticulture, MSc Agronomy or BTech in Agricultural Engineering or this integrated course, students interested in these courses can apply for the admissions online or offline and shape your better future.